Ready?
Beautiful. That's pine, huh?
You know, this, let me see, it smells a little bit different. I think it's old pine.
It is. Where are you going with it?
I'm just gonna dump this right over here.
Still going.
A little faster than a handsaw, huh?
Unbelievable. limbs.
Look at that. That's cool.
Now this is pine, you think, huh?
Yeah, it's to me it's old. I mean, it doesn't have that fresh pine smell.
Looks like pine bark, though.
Yeah, it does look like pine bark.
Next cut, you would knock this out.
Yeah, I'm thinking what I'm thinking we might do is maybe just go ahead and square it up totally, and then maybe we won't necessarily make this a post. We may make slabs off of this, you know.
Makes sense.
Yeah, they say just as a safety thing, you always want to try to wait until. Look at that.
That's beautiful, isn't it?
Look at that. That's pretty cool. This actually looks more like the Douglas Fir that I cut the other day.
It does. I bet it is, John. I bet it is a fir.
Yeah, just slowly bring her down and
Big piece.
that's a lot of fun for a Monday afternoon, huh?
Isn't it? That's fun. Got the other side to do, the bottom.
No, we're good. I'm gonna leave it at that, really.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at that! Wow.
That's beautiful, isn't it?
It's definitely pine. It's light.
It's too light for
Yeah.
heavy hardwood.
Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
There's really something.
Yeah, I'm going to leave it as is. What I'm probably going to do is, that won't be today necessarily, but I might just, because there's such a I'll never get a good post out of that. I'll just keep taking sections off here. I'll maybe make 3x lumber out of this. Well, there we have it. I guess some of our first, I guess what we would call real lumber here at the Catbird Hill Lumber Company. So I'm pretty sure this is pine. I know, you heard me talking with my father-in-law earlier about, is this pine? Is it Douglas fir? I'm pretty sure this is pine. It's real light, weight-wise. The Douglas fir that we cut the other day was much heavier. So really kind of cool. We got four boards out of this. We've got three that are basically 2x7, a full 2 inches there by 7. The reason I ended up making planks out of these is, as you recall, there was sort of a dip. This was a real wonky log. So you can see this bark area right here down in this zone. It just, the log, maybe a lot of expert sawyers probably wouldn't have even tried to cut anything out of it, but it was kind of bowed in 2 different directions. So I thought rather than try to make a post out of it, I was going to be whittling it down to a toothpick really to make a post. I thought I would at least get some usable boards out of it, and by golly, I'm really happy with these. So 3 of these are 2x7, and this is a 1x7. So really happy with that. Anyhow, thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate you joining the continued journey here at the sawmill. And thanks so much to my father-in-law George for coming out today and hanging out with me and making his first cuts ever on a sawmill at age 90. So it was just awesome to have him out here. He's been an inspiration for me in a lot of ways over the years, teaching me how to do a lot of things myself. So it was really a treat to have him out here and join me for that, his first cutting experience. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned. We've got more coming up here on Catbird Hill. Until next time, John here. Take care.